You know what I mean? It's been a long time coming. And looking back, I ain't got no regrets. I wanna thank y'all for who stayed with me. But looking forward, there's still a lot more I gotta do, and I still feel like I got my back against the wall. Bottom of the knife, trying to switch gears in my life, feeling I'm a stall. Last call for me to get my drink on, but I'm like the designated driver, something for me to think on. So now I gotta watch them pop bottles and entertain women and live a good life. And I won't understand when jealousy speaks fluent, when you tell her that you better and she tells you that you're right. Like they be getting chances, but I ain't taking any. They have the support, but I've been giving many. Books you been working, I ain't got a net worth. I've been channel surfing while they know how to network. Devil on my shoulder, mind state of my age, steady getting older. Just a few clues to the puzzle, I should break from the huddle and go join the sidelines, like every court side to get holder.
But nah, thinking it's just me, and I'm already on. Living in the dark for a while, but it is always open for the dawn. And I can feel it come, I hope they're ready for the storm. But nah, thinking it's just me, and I'm already on. Living in the dark for a while, but it is always open for the dawn. And I can feel it come, I hope they're ready for the storm.
It's like sun's coming out, so I got birds flocking. Since I'm trying to eat, I ain't trying to break fast. Plus I'm waking up the mass, since they wanna sleep on me. That's when my flow is like getting that alarm clocking. So beep beep, wake up. I swear be nice, it's not an option. Just look at what the top 10 make up, and that is what is popping. But it ain't they fault, cause all the label wanna know is when that hook gon' dropping. So money, 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 and booty, booty popping. And fuck them over niggas who be hating in the club, and all of the above. See, I'ma play the game till my fingers getting blisters, and my blisters bleeding blood, and that's what a pimp does. I'm sorry, honey, but that's all I can be. So accumulate the buzz that's needed for the penthouse view. Retire my mama just to pay her back for all the love, and
but nah, thinking it's just me, and I'm already on. Living in the dark for a while, but it is always open for the dawn. And I can feel it come, I hope they're ready for the storm. But nah, thinking it's just me, and I'm already on. Living in the dark for a while, but it is always open for the dawn. And I can feel it come, I hope they're ready for the storm.
I heard about the glamour, I heard about the fame, heard about the lows, but I got Mary Jane. Heard about the highs, so I've been growing wings, and I will remain blind to the shit I never seen. And with my eyes focused, the only people I'm looking out for is my motherfucking team. And on me you can lean, cause whatever is on my agenda is whatever we dream. I'm sorry for the way, but everything is time. And yes, I know a lot of niggas cutting in the line, but we just try and get them on base. So whenever I'm up next, just give me that Grand Slam sign. And but nah, thinking it's just me, and I'm already on. Living in the dark for a while, but it is always darkest for the dawn. And I can feel it come, I hope they ready for the storm like